Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. Open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Browse and select the video you wish to download. You can also use the search function to find specific videos. Once you have found the video, tap on it to open it. Look for 3 horizontal dots located at the top right corner of the video player. Tap on these dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Copy Link to copy the video's link to your device's clipboard. Now open Google Chrome or any other web browser on your mobile device. In the browser search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and press Enter. Choose a reliable website, such as PinterestVideoDownloader.com from the search results. On the download website, locate the designated area where you can paste the copied video link. Paste the link you copied from Pinterest into this area. After pasting the link, find and tap on the download button on the downloader website. Wait for the downloader to process the video link. Once the video is processed, a download link or button will appear. Tap on the download link or button to initiate the download of the video to your mobile device. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.